Morning, Xander.
Morning.
So Xander's on the passenger side trying to get the shock hooked up. He's got his shock on the other side. Right now he's just kind of doing the final fitment for everything, getting the arms in. And what else do you have left to put in here?
Release spring.
Release spring, sorry, I went brain dead. I know you're shocked to hear that I went brain dead. Quiet, I heard you thinking. So that's where he's at. I'll go up to the front, show you guys. Looks like Nick's out sick today from what we can tell. So this is where everything was left. We've got the control arms soaking so they can be cleaned up. And once they're on the car, we'll get the ball joints put in. Get that taken care of. God, those things are nasty. Okay, so we've got our control arm for front. We got everything loosened up, as you can tell. And we just got to punch out the rivets so that when it goes back on the car, we can get the ball joint in and lock it into place so there won't be any issues. But yeah, this is an extremely greasy, nasty job. Ugh. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one.